Presented by Pipsqueak Piano. Hi Pipsqueaks! Will you help me practice with our right and our left hands? Okay, great. But how can we tell our left hand from our right hand? Can you make this shape in both of your hands? Now only one of your hands is making an L that matches the capital letter L, the other one is backwards. Which hand is making the correct L shape? That's correct. That's your left hand. Let's practice together. When you hear left, play the piano with your left hand, and when you hear right, play the piano with your right hand. Ready? Let's play.
Right hand. Let's play with our right hand, right hand.
Left switch.
Let's switch. Left hand. Let's play with our left hand, left hand.
Left
hand. Get ready. Hands together. Hands together. Let's play with our hands together. Let's play with our right hand, left hand. Get ready, hands together, hands together. Let's play with our hands together.
I see Grandma's house and the dog house. Can you help Grandma find her house? Let's point to her house together. That's right. Now let's help the puppy dog find the dog house. Let's point to the dog house. That's right. Let's put our right hand in Grandma's house and the left hand in the dog house. Good job. Let's play the black keys in Grandma's house with our right hand, and the black keys in the dog house with our left hand. First let's play low to high like this. That sounds great. Now let's play high to low like this. Great job, Pipsqueaks.
3 black keys in Grandma's house. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 black keys in the dog house. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's turn the lines and read like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
You can play with both hands together. It looks like it's starting to rain. I know the perfect song for the rain. Can you guess what song it is? Let's get in our hands together position, with the right hand in Grandma's house and the left hand in the dog house, and play. That was great! Now let's play it again, only this time with the background music playing at the same time as us. Would you like to try? 1, 2, ready, play! I loved playing piano with you today, Pipsqueaks. See you next time. And if you want to watch more videos for preschool piano, click the like and subscribe button. And also check out the Pipsqueak Piano Preschool Book series available on Amazon.